Did you know that you could be leveraging your credit to obtain upwards of $100,000 in 0% interest, personal and business lines of credit and credit cards? The problem is the funding companies that do this service charge thousands of dollars and nobody's teaching you how to do it yourself. I know this because over the last 4 years, I've watched every credit YouTube video, paid 4 and 5 figures for every credit course and credit coach, and joined all the credit Facebook groups trying to fund my companies and my investments. And listen guys, leveraging credit has absolutely changed my life and all of those that I've shared it with, and I am sick and tired of seeing these funding companies rip off brand new entrepreneurs and business owners who are just looking for the capital they need to scale their businesses and fuel their ambitions. And that's exactly why I've created a fast and proven system for acquiring business credit in as little as 7 days without watching hundreds of hours of inaccurate and conflicting information on YouTube or spending months forming your company and building business credit. And the best part is I'm going to share that training with you and that exact process without putting you through a 3-hour live webinar, right? And I've created a 15-minute training containing exactly what you need to know and nothing more. So click the link below and check it out.